Hi, today we're going to build an LMR-400 assembly. We're going to build an assembly that's very good VSWR, great pull strength. It's also going to be rated for IP67. And we're going to do it in such a way that the results are going to be very consistent. We're going to use our CST-400 prep tool. We're going to use our EZ-400-NMH-X connector. It's a no braid trim connector, great VSWR, ribs in the back. And what we're going to do also is we're going to demonstrate our WSB-400 boot. This is an IP67 weather sealed boot that can take the place of the traditional adhesive lined shrink boot that comes with the connectors. It's also a great option when working outdoors, working in the field. You don't need a heat source to shrink the boot. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do, these boots, they come with a little packet of silicone for lubricant, every pack of 10 WSB boots. But I really love this stuff, this P80 emulsion lubricant. Buy it online. All it takes is a drop. It's biodegradable. Just take a drop, put it on the cable, take your boot, slide it up over the jacket, and just push it out of the way so you got room to work. At that point, take your CST-400, make sure there's nothing stuck in the back there, put it on side one, and start to depress that thumb switch while you're spinning around the cable. Make a couple of revolutions, keep it depressed, and pull that off. Now you flip the tool around, there's a deburr tool in the tool, little back and forth, put a nice chamfer on the center conductor. Now make sure you got it on side two set for crimp, place it over the cable, and let the tool do the work here. And take that material off the, strip the jacket back. Take your ferrule, and you can do this even before you strip the jacket. Place the ferrule over the cable, just fan those braid wires out a little bit. Take your EZ connector, beryllium copper spring finger contact, get it started. It's a nice snug fit. Push it. You feel it's come to a stop there. It's making contact with the center conductor. Give it an extra push. That's those fingers riding up on the center conductor. Take the ferrule. You'll notice the braid wires are right where you want them to be. Take your LMR-400 crimp tool, CT-300-400. Use the larger of the dies. You crimp it once right at the back of the connector. Just once. Like that. Take your lubricant, put just another drop on there. Straighten that cable out. Just bring that right up like that. And hear that snap into place. It literally snapped onto the back of the connector, onto those ribs on the back. Now this right now, if it was in a mated condition, it would be an IP67 rated seal, weather seal. And also great strain relief. Let's go around to side two. I'm going to go through this one a little more quickly. We're going to first put just a little lubricant there, place the boot, get the boot started, slide the boot back so it's out of the way. We will this time take the crimp ferrule, put that on there, take our tool, make sure there's nothing stuck in there, side one, place it over the cable, start to depress the thumb switch and rotate it, make a couple revolutions, pull that, expose that center conductor. Take the deburr tool, pull back and forth, put a nice chamfer on that, make sure we're set for crimp. Let the tool do the work. Just spin that tool right around the cable until it spins freely like so. Take our EZ connector, take those round wire braids, just fold them back a little bit. Get that connector started, push it, feel it stop, give it an extra push. Fingers riding up on the center conductor. Crimp ferrules, braids are right where you want them to be. Take your crimp tool, the largest of the two dies in the CS300-400. You crimp it once, just at the very back of the connector, like so. Take your lubricant, just put another drop right there. Straighten out the cable a little bit. Take this boot and just snap it right into place. So what you have here is a very good low VSWR cable assembly, 6 gigahertz assembly, extremely good pull strength, somewhere in the neighborhood of 175 pounds of pull strength because we used that CST tool, we didn't nick the braid wires. IP67 seal on both sides in a mated condition. Once this is mated, this back end is going to be sealed to IP67. Also a lot of strain relief. It's a very rugged strain relief. So you end up with a very rugged cable. You can do this yourself, you can do it out in the field, very simple tools, easy to use connectors. Thank you.